our last day in California. Mom?
So back in February, we took a trip over to California and went to Disneyland. And this right here is our last day at the Pixar Hotel. You can actually visit the Walt Disney World Company Studios in Burbank, California. So we decided to go visit the studios on this particular day. And this is our adventure there. So we are going to take a tour of the Disney Studios. We decided to do our own walking tour, and by doing that we found a lot of great things. Now we also found out that you must be quiet around the sets that say that they are in production, and you cannot go into any of the sets. The studio store, and here's what it looks like.
That's the cafe. Do we want to go to the cafe, or we just want to go see the stuff?
Let's go see the buildings. Iconic Pluto's Corner at Dopey Drive and Mickey Avenue. One of the coolest things about these pillars is that you could find names like Sir Elton John, Steve Martin, the cast from the Golden Girls. They were all there. These are people that have had one thing or another to do with Disney in one way or another. If you ever get to go here, please check them out. It's so awesome. Right here we have the iconic partner statue. If you go to Magic Kingdom, you will find the statue itself. We decided to go ahead and take a tour of the animation studio itself. The picture right here, this was actually in one of the bathrooms.
Wait a minute.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video and do what the card tells you to do right here.